Yeah, g'day there viewers, Mr. Shawnee Thompson poking along. Not bad, thanks. Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a little bit of stuff going on. I've got little Charlie the work ute here in the shed. Yes baby, we are back in the shed. Now I've got an idea, right? With this big empty gap in here between the toolboxes, and I've got an angle fridge. Well, I've got two angle fridges, but I've got an angle fridge sitting in the shed. I've got a fridge slide out of the canopy that I just sold. This was my little drop down fridge slide. I've cut the base out of it. Here's the base here. So gonna make up a little bracket to go in here so that I can have the fridge slide sitting in there so I can grab it, slide it out to the back, open the fridge and grab me lunch out, me cans of Coke or me little stub on the way home from work. What do you reckon? Yeah, g'day there viewers. 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 Mr. Shawnee Thompson. Mr. Shawnee Thompson. Poking along, not bad, thanks. Poking along, not bad, thanks. Poking along, not bad, thanks. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do today. COVID-19, stay at home. So I'm going to stay at home, I'm going to weld some stuff. Let's get into it, eh? So first of all, I need to work out how I'm going to hold the fridge slide to the bracket that the toolboxes are sitting on. So, what I come up with, you're going to like this. It's really dodgy. It's not, it's going to work sensationally. So I've got the bar going across here that this toolbox, the back of this toolbox sitting on. That was for a previous project. That didn't work. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some little pieces of angle. I'm going to weld some angle across there. Drill some holes in the base of this. Bolt it there at the front. Same on this side, but instead of using a piece of RHS there, I'm going to use a piece of angle here. So the angle will come up and that way. And then just boom, boom, two bolts in there. What do you guys reckon? Alrighty, so if you can imagine this piece of angle welded on those marks in there, boom! What do you reckon? Fridge slide on there, gonna sit a battery in the back, make the whole toolbox unit. Only get some work lights, sit down there, so it shines up. The worst thing about having work lights there, right, and working on the back of your ute, is the toolbox casts a shadow here, from up there, casts a shadow. So here where you're working, on the back of your ute, is a dark spot. It's so annoying. Anyway, another little tip that I did that you guys might like, you might not, is these little bad boys here. Little pieces of aluminium, C-section, channel, whatever you want to call it, and an LED strip light up in there. Wires in through there, bit of elastic, boom, boom, boom. Little plug comes out here. Obviously that one's been chopped off, but no, that's cool. And yeah, lights up inside your toolbox drawers at night when you are working in the dark, because let's face it, you're not always working in the dark, but when you are, you need to be able to see what you're doing. So I'm going to do the same thing again, but across the back here, right next to the Mr. Shawnee Thompson, not bad, thanks, sticker. What do you reckon? Good idea or what? Let me know in the comments below if you like my ideas. And remember guys, if you want to see more videos like this of me poking along in the shed, having a jolly good old time, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification, it'll be in the corner somewhere, I don't know, it'll be in there somewhere. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. I do read all the comments and I will reply eventually. So next is to make a couple of little brackets on that side of the toolbox there, the base, for the slide to sit on this side. So that piece that fell in the bin before, I just dug it out. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is just cut two brackets 50-50 out of that. Weld one there, one up there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt it all in, weld it all in, tack it all in, happy day. Now, when you are welding onto the back of your ute, probably don't need to do it, I don't know. I've always just done it myself. Disconnect your earth lead off the battery, baby. Disconnect the earth lead and then put the earth from where you're welding close to your job. So I'm going to put it here on the little lifting lug brackets. Lifting lugs meaning these bad boys here. That's what I use to lift the toolboxes off the back of the ute, yes. Another little Shauny's invention. Not bad, thanks. Probably not my invention, but I did it and it looks cool. I mean, it works. It's not cool, but it works. Alrighty, so we're just up in the back of the ute at the moment. We've got it all marked out, meshed out. I've tacked this side. It's gonna come up absolutely smick. So probably not a good idea to be welding in singlet and thong slappers. But hey, what's the worst that can happen? I burned my toesies, man. So anyway, yeah, we're just gonna glue this on here real quick. Give that a quick tack. Line it up with our mark. We'll double check our measurements. And happy days. Yo! Righto, so all the holes are drilled. Just got some second-hand 3/8 by 1.5" bolts here. I know they're too long, but I'll do the bloody job, mate. So now they're bolted in, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the other side there, and we're just going to drill straight through and go straight through there, and I'll just mark some holes out real quick. So the same as this side, probably not there though, that was a bit silly. Oh, and there's not too bad. And then, yeah, mark it, boom, boom. And happy days. So up next, so that the fridge light doesn't just slide out on its own accord, got this little gate latch. So plan is drill a hole where it's marked, shut properly you bagger, drill a hole where it's marked, go tack tack, glue the lock onto there, happy days. I would like to use a spring lock, but we're doing this on a budget. I'm going to tell you exactly how much it costs, and this is just stuff I had laying around in the shed that I'm using. So one day I'll probably grind it off and put a spring lock on there, because you know it's going to give me the poops. So yeah, little spring lock would be epic, but this little gate lock is what I've got for now. So we'll drill a hole in there. As you can see, I've already marked it. A couple of little tacks on there, boom boom, and it should be locked. And then we'll throw the fridge in there and see how it feels. Alrighty then, so that's all done. Next little mission this afternoon, got these cool little stainless steel brackets. Now I want to weld them on the front here like that, so I can run a chain from there down to there, put a padlock on it, so no cheeky bugger pinches me fridge, mate, basically. So that's next on the agenda of stuff I've got to do today. So we'll rip the fridge back out, throw it back on over there where it lives, and yeah, weld them on, measure them up, get them centered, weld them on, cut some chains, and yeah, padlock it on there. Happy days. Nailed it. Oh, I burned my finger. Oh, I burnt my finger. Ouchie. It hurts so bad, man. It hurts so bad. Right, guys. What do you reckon about that, eh? Hey? Painted and all. Now, I've got some chain here. Work out how long we need. And cut it off. Loop it through there. Happy days. Now remember earlier today when I said about your work lights on your headboard? The worst thing about having work lights there, right, and working on the back of your ute is the toolbox casts a shadow here. It's night time now. See here, see how the work lights are casting a shadow just here? And where your main working is going to be is like this area. These aren't actually that bad. They're not too bad. They're going pretty good, but you've still got that shadow area, you know, where you're mainly going to be working. It's going to be rather frustrating when you're doing stuff at night, hence the reason for the lights up here. So it's coming together, it's going to happen, it's going to be sick. So that's it, guys, for another video of Shawnee in the Shed. Actually, that's a really good name. I might use that on the title of this video. Anyway, if you want to see more epic videos of me doing random weird crap in my shed, subscribe to my channel. Do you know that it's free? I always thought when people said to me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, that was like, it's going to cost me money. But it's not, it's free. You just subscribe and you see more cool stuff. Alright, guys.
That was horribly wicked.